Are you still wondering what app is easy, beginners friendly, free, and best for video editing on a mobile device? I was in that same situation. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be revealing apps that are beginner friendly and easy to use. Please stay tuned. After trying many video editing apps, I came to the conclusion that CapCut is the best video editing app for mobile device and for beginners. This is because it's not just amazing for beginners, but also for advanced video editors. Secondly, CapCut has a great interface for beginners to figure out and start editing. It can be used on Android, iOS, MacBook, and Windows. Some of the pros of CapCut is the ability to remove background without green screen. Another one is the auto caption and text to speech tools. In auto caption, you can easily convert what you are saying to text, and you can also edit the caption if they don't match the words you were saying. In text to speech, CapCut has AI voiceover where you can easily convert your text to speech. You input the text and click on text to speech. It will change everything to speech. You pick on the accent you want in CapCut text to speech voiceover. Another pros of CapCut is that it has many cinematic and fun effects. It has voice enhancement, stock libraries for music, sound, stickers, effects, stock videos, and more. Concerning the stock libraries for sound and music, I would recommend you use copyright-free website to source for your sound or music, because some of the sound and music in CapCut can only be used on TikTok. This is because CapCut is owned by the same company as TikTok. To avoid any strike or copyright infringement, please source for copyright-free sound from other websites or YouTube audio library. Another pros for CapCut is that CapCut has done so well and made content creation easy due to the availability of AI tools like AI voiceover in text to speech, AI image generator, AI poster, teleprompter, AI models. In AI models, you can easily source for models. You can easily source for models to help you model your clothing line if you are into any clothing business. AI poster, this means you can easily create posters for your business on CapCut. So this is what CapCut interface look like. When you open CapCut, this is what you see. When you click here, you can see some of the AI products they have to offer. AI poster. This is where you can easily create your poster here in CapCut. AI models. In AI models, you can use the AI models provided by CapCut to help you model your clothing line. For example, these are the numbers of models they have. You come here, pick on any model you want. After picking, you pick on the dress or you add your own product by clicking on the plus button. You pick on the dress, that is the product. Then you pick on poses, any pose you want, like these two poses. Then click on generate. Now this is the outcome for the AI model. You can go ahead and create more. Here we click on product photos. In product photos, it helps you create unique background for your product. When I click on this product, for example, you can see the background here. Click add. Then pick on any of this background. Pick on any of the background and create what you like. Now this is what CapCut looks like. You can see it's very easy on a mobile device. This is when you open CapCut, you get to see edit, audio, text, overlay, effect, aspect ratio, filters, adjust, stickers, background. You can play around all these tools CapCut has to offer, even stock videos. For example, let me take you back to the stock videos. Here, to get your stock videos, when you click on new project, as you can see, if you are not picking videos from your gallery, you can pick on stock videos. Easily get stock videos. Then AI media. That is where you can generate your images based on what you want. You input the prompt you want and generate. The free features and tools are very great. When you start making use of CapCut, So these are some of the pros of CapCut. CapCut has done so well and helped make content creation easy. CapCut also has a great amount of free features and tools that can help customize the video the way you want without watermarks. To start using CapCut, you don't need to create an account. Download CapCut, install it on your mobile device or any of your device and start editing your videos. CapCut has an amazing free version. You can also try the pro version for more advanced features, and it comes relatively cheap. This doesn't stop you from saving and exporting your video after editing in the free version. You can still save and export it without any issue of watermarks. Another alternative for CapCut is VN Video Editors. It has great amount of features and tools as CapCut. I will leave the link to both apps in this video description. These two apps are great for beginners and advanced video editors.